Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to another video here on the Euro YouTube channel where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. If you're like me, you will love a clean and streak-free shower. But let's face it, these glass shower doors are a pain to maintain, especially free of water spots and soap scum. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your glass shower doors like a pro using two amazing products, the CleanAide All Purpose Squeegee and Glass Weave glass cleaning towels. Let's dive right in. The CleanAide All Purpose Squeegee is designed for quick and effective water removal, which is key for preventing soap scum and mineral buildup. Plus, it's made with durable, high-quality materials so you know it's built to last. And for wiping away any leftover water or streaks, the CleanAide Glass Weave glass cleaning towels are perfect. They're super absorbent and lint-free, which means no streaks, no residue, just a crystal clear shine. Before we start cleaning, we have to make sure we're prepped and ready. If you have any heavy soap scum or water stains, go ahead and apply a glass cleaner or homemade vinegar solution. Let it sit for a minute or two to loosen up any buildup. I'm using a simple glass cleaner, but you could also make your own by mixing equal parts vinegar and water. It's super effective and eco-friendly too. Okay, now the magic happens. First, you're gonna spray your glass shower door with your cleaner. Take your CleanAide All Purpose Squeegee and starting from the top, simply drag it down in smooth vertical strokes. You'll see how easily it removes water and cleaner without leaving any streaks behind. Once you've squeegeed most of the water, take your CleanAide Glass Weave towels and wipe down any remaining moisture. These towels are super absorbent and the weave is designed to grab onto any leftover residue without leaving any lint or streaks. Just look at that shine. It's like a brand new shower door. A couple of quick bonus tips. Be sure to deep clean your shower doors at least once a week to prevent stubborn buildup. And every day after you shower, wipe it down with your squeegee to prevent water spots from forming in the first place. And that's it. Cleaning your glass shower doors has never been easier. If you are interested in these amazing products, be sure to check the description below. It's gonna have the links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment what kind of videos you guys wanna see next. Follow us on our social media, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.